Once upon a time, deep in a green forest, there lived 4 buffaloes. They were good friends and they always stayed together. Every day they walked together, ate together, and rested together. Because they were always together, they were very strong. All the other animals in the forest were afraid of them. Even the wild animals did not want to fight with them. Near that forest there also lived a hungry tiger. The tiger was very dangerous and very clever. He wanted to eat the buffaloes because they were big and strong and could give him food for many days. Many times the tiger came near the place where the buffaloes lived. He hid behind trees and bushes and watched them carefully. But every time he saw the 4 buffaloes standing close to each other, he felt afraid. He thought, if I attack them now, they will fight together and hurt me. I cannot win if they stay united. So each time the tiger went away feeling sad and angry. Every day he said to himself, "Never mind, I will come again tomorrow." One day the 4 buffaloes were walking together and talking happily. One of them said, "Friends, I heard that the grass on the other side of the forest is very green and very tasty. Why don't we go there for lunch today?" The other buffaloes liked the idea. They said, "Yes, that is a good idea. We are hungry and we want to eat good grass." So all 4 buffaloes started walking together toward the new grassland. They were happy and did not think about danger. On the way, a fox saw them coming. The fox was very scared because the buffaloes were big and strong. She ran away quickly, but the buffaloes did not notice her. After walking for a long time, the 4 friends reached the grassland. They were very tired and very hungry. They looked at the green grass and felt happy. As they were about to start eating, one buffalo said, "Let us do one thing. One of us should stand and watch for danger while the others eat." Another buffalo said, "That is a good idea. We must be careful." Then they started talking about who should stand and watch. One buffalo said, "Let Fatty stand here and watch while we eat." Fatty was angry and said, "That is not fair. I am hungry too. Why should I wait while you eat?" The others said, "You eat very slowly. You can eat after us. We will watch while you eat." Fatty felt hurt and said, "I am not your servant. I will not wait here alone." Another buffalo said, "He is right. It is not fair to make him wait alone." Then another one shouted, "Why are you talking like this? You cannot tell us what to do." Soon they all started shouting at each other. They forgot that they were friends. They forgot that they were strong only because they were together. One buffalo said angrily, "If you do not like us, then leave." Another said, "Yes, I will leave. I do not need you." Another said, "I can live alone." One by one, all 4 buffaloes walked away in different directions. They were angry and did not look back. They did not know that the tiger was hiding behind the grass and watching everything. The tiger was very happy. He smiled and said quietly, "This is my lucky day. They are not together now. I can attack them one by one." The tiger followed the first buffalo and jumped on him. The buffalo was alone and could not fight. The tiger killed him and ate him. Then the tiger went after the second buffalo and did the same. After that, he found the third and the fourth buffalo and killed them too. In this way, all 4 buffaloes lost their lives. When they were together, no animal could hurt them. But when they fought and left each other, they became weak. The story teaches us an important lesson. Unity is the greatest strength. When friends stay together, they are safe and strong. When they fight and break their unity, danger can come easily. This is why we must always stay united, help each other, and forgive each other. When we are together, no problem is too big, and victory will always be ours.